Good morning everyone. Today we will learn number formation of 6. Before formation, let's read counting 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10. How to read and write number 6? 6 buckets, 6 caps, 6 kettles. Number formation of 6. How to write number 6? Draw on the dot, make a curve, then make a loop. Again repeat these steps. Draw on the dot, make a curve, then make a loop. Number 6 is ready. Trace from the color number 6. Color on the dots, make a curve, then make a loop. Number 6 is ready. Worksheet. Match the number with the group having same number of objects. 6 birds, 6 bugs.